Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about magic A. Magic A comes mostly in the end of words, but sometimes it works in the middle of words. How? We will see in the examples. Magic A comes mostly in the end, that is silent A. It gives its power to the middle vowel and it makes it long vowel from short to long vowel. So this is actually the work of magic A. We are having some examples. Example number 1. Tail, in the end, but it has no sound. It gives its power to the middle and makes it tail. Example 2. Even here the magic E comes in the middle. Now it gives its power to the middle. Now the first sound becomes E and the word becomes even. Example number 3. Like. And sound is in the end. And is magic E here. It gives its power to the middle sound and makes it I. And the word is like. Example number 4. Roll. And the sound comes in the end. It gives its power to the middle sound and makes it and it becomes roll. 5. And the last example is cure. Here now that sound, the magic key comes in the end here and it gives its power back to the middle sound and makes it U. Now cure. Thank you so much.